The T2620 enables carton serialization to meet product traceability and compliance requirements as per the Falsified Medicines Directive in Europe, the Drug Supply Chain Security Act in the USA, and other worldwide track and trace regulations. Variable data such as serial numbers, batch numbers, expiry dates, and static product identifiers are printed directly on the cartons and verified via cameras for accuracy and quality. The serial numbers of the cartons inspected as good are stored in the database with commissioned status. Due to its compact size, the T2620 system integrates easily into new production lines, or it can be added to upgrade existing lines. The PCE software suite integrates into existing ERP systems and provides a simple and intuitive software interface for easy operation.